Yo, what's up, guys? Nick here with Raw Day Trading, and I got a little trading recap today. It's a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. And for those of you who managed to stumble across this channel, this is not investment advice. I do not recommend that you day trade. I actually recommend you don't day trade because people like me and other better people at this game will take a lot of money from you if you allow them to. It's similar to poker where it's like the market needs fishes. It needs people to come in and lose, so other people can make money. Um, yeah. So, anyways, starting with today, it was a little bit of a mess. I felt like I was swimming with sandbags on my legs, and I didn't get those sandbags off till later in the afternoon. And let's just start with a couple of the more notable trades. So Peggy here, I don't have the chart up. It's on a different screen over on my left, but I have the level 2 here, and it's an energy company. Notable, energy companies tend to be more volatile than you expect. They tend to follow through um, and cut a lot of people up in really hard to predict ways. So let's just take a little glimpse of the action here. Okay, so it comes from under 2. Fantastic, I will be honest. But I was thinking maybe we can get a bounce off 2. And so it pops up to 209. And I'm queued up there with a couple thousand shares. Ready for a little taste test here. And I'm watching it. Like level 2, it on these like really tight names, it's not super valuable unless you have like a bid out of the ordinary. Okay, I get filled there on the bid. First thing is the bid fills are not they're they're tricky because you get in at a lower price, but it's also kind of like the stock is weak enough to fill you on the bid when all the algorithms are trying to not fill you on the bid, where they try to like front run your orders. So basically, all that's saying is you are the support of the stock at that moment, and you're taking responsibility for that bid. So yeah, um, that's why I tend to use market orders most of the time. Get filled. You might get a little slippage, but at least you get filled at a relatively good price. Whereas you're at the risk of not getting filled on a bid. Okay, so we're here, and it's kind of just like waffling around. And I'm like, okay, what's going on? Why aren't you bouncing? Now it's kind of getting like pinned under 2. Yeah, my cursor, and then I'm just like, fuck you. Okay, sorry for my language. Oh, and I get out a decent price. I thought I got cut on that. No, okay, yeah, okay, that was good. I caught it early, and I cut it. I thought that would have been a bigger loss. Let's see if I can find, because I do take a couple L's on this one. Well, all right. Let's see. Zap continuation. See, it popped up, hit this purple line. This purple line is a 200 day, but it did a pre-market, and so like I wasn't even paying attention, thinking it would fail. I think I caught a trade before the video started. I was looking for that, but it fails here after a slight bounce out of the open. Not super important. None of these trades were super. Okay, what did I do here? Now I'm back on Peggy over here on the left hand side. Okay. What do I do? Get in at 89. Actually, make a cent. Oh, and then it goes all the way without me. That's annoying. Yeah. And now I'm looking to get back in because I'm. Oh, yeah, there it is. And then now just right against me. Wah. Oh, should be cutting right here. There it is. Okay, I lose a couple bucks. I don't think I traded much more after that. Oh, wait. It's coming back up. What was that other trade? For the break there. Oh, and I cut it because it's acting funny. A lot of this is level 2. Level 2 reading. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see, I don't have much conviction on any of these trades, which is okay because they all were going against. They were all selling. Okay, so do that. Oh, and then I chase it up, and now it's at 2. What happens here? I think this is where I get nuked. I want to say nuked. It wasn't bad. It was only like $100 loss or something. Okay, so it looks like it's going to break 2. I'm getting ready to buy. Looks 3, 2, 1. We'll backtrack. It's the same problem as before. The backchecks just getting blown out. I think. Yeah. And then, but again, it cut well. Only $30 loss. Huh. I keep thinking I lost money on this stock. At least earlier in the day. Okay, back in. Back up. Back in. Oh, it's not going. Back out. My God, I tried so much with such little conviction. There it goes. So, that's the cost of scalping. Yeah. Cost of scalping is you can easily miss the move. All right, back. Oh. I should be cutting right here. Click, 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 cut, 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 cut. Come on, cut. Come on. Okay, cut now. Cut now. Cut now. There it is. Okay, finally. Finally down 5, 6 cents. Yeah, if you look down at the corner right here, you can see where I'm getting filled at all my entries and exits. I don't know why I'm still looking at that stock. Anyways, it was just annoying, nothing crazy. I should not have taken that. I'm just like chasing it down at this point. No compelling reason to be in that. So we are going to go to LGV. Okay, this one was annoying. So first off, I was pissed I missed this move. Or piss is not the right word. I saw it going and I thought something else would go. So I'm looking at LGVN. I actually did not see this on the scanner. I jump into it at this point, and I did not take a lot of time to analyze it before I think I started jumping in, and I was kind of rushed. It's never good to be rushed in trade. It's always good to let stuff get away from you than to rush in a trade. And you can only really go quick. Focus on a name. because you start getting to situations where you're not okay, where I'm not. I can only go quickly on a trade when I'm highly focused because I start getting into situations where I am not analyzing all the data that's coming at me, and I'm holding through signals, and I'm not sure why I'm in a trade, and I just find myself clicking in and clicking out. Peggy was almost that. The last couple of trades on it were. The other ones were specific trades where I was trying to like capture little cuts like from the dips, and it just didn't work out, and that's okay. Um, this one was a strategic move, but I missed signals on the level two. See, it's always hard. Sometimes it's like, from what I can see. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. My something's burning on the stove. Okay, sorry about that. Just roasted some green beans. Anyways, um, yeah, it's hard to tell what's running the chart if a signal from the chart is running it or if a signal from the level two is influencing it. And they all play into each other, but occasionally one is more dominant than the other, and it's really uh, in real time can be difficult to keep track of which was which. When I'm trading my best is when I'm able to like realize what signal is what running the chart. Um, and the same goes for long and short term signals on the level two as well. Okay, basically traders run that, but it depends on what they're responding to. So, anyways, um, real important one is knowing whether a market maker is or traders are running the stock too. Okay, so here we have nonsense. Look, it's so what I'm seeing here, all green, um, and this just halted off. I'm looking for this to like at least break 80, go to 85, maybe a 93. Um, what I did not take into account was this high volume candle right here where it made no progress and it kind of just stayed stagnant sideways right there. I came into it pretty quick, kind of focusing on that level two. It's kind of what happens early in the AM when a lot of stuff is determined by level two. And so I'm just sitting here and I'm like, all right, what's going to happen? And I'm going to fast forward 30 seconds. Okay, yeah. And now it starts ripping. Or ripping. So it's going up a little. Oh. And then there's all these big offers and big bids that start popping up. And I think I misread it. I misread the situation. Yeah, I see there's that big offer. I'm like, oh, it's going to break through. Oh, no. It gets pulled. And see, yeah, like I thought it would have broke. Now it breaks, and I'm like, okay, now I got to start like looking at this to get in. It closes strong on the 1 minute, and I'm like, oh, super excited. But a couple things. I mean, for the chartist, you have this ascending resistance right there, which kind of getting in the way right there. And then also for a little dip, I mess it up right here as it comes down. I click and I buy. Great, right? So decent, whatever, right? Um, Even though it's lower probability because of this candle here, because of the ascending resistance, whatever, I think it was worth taking a shot. So now here is where I messed up. It goes, it waffles. You have some offers there, and I should have cut right there. That is where I should have been hitting the bid. Instead, I'm like, oh, holding, and I'm like, whoa, what's happening? And then it goes all the way down. Honestly, it kind of tests this. So if you would have connect all the lines from this right here, looking up above my head, the tops of these, it's kind of going down to test that area. Well, actually, probably more just the the VWAP. But okay. And then I just put a limit order out there. That was probably a dumb move too. The only reason why that got bought is because everyone else was caught off guard by that too, and they didn't think it was priced properly, so they're trying to buy it back up. Yeah, the offer, placing your orders on the offer can really, really influence the stock depending on your size and your broker and if it's visible. So, and then I just okay, back up to normal, but I could not have risked waiting on that exit. I probably should have exited way before. And you can see right there it's down. What was I down on that? I think I was down 200 on that trade. Let's see. Let's see here. Actually, it wasn't so bad. Okay, so the initial trade is a loss, but not terrible. And then I go and I dig myself a hole by jumping in and out, trying to scalp this move. Trying to micro scalp this move. And yeah. But in the meantime, I'm missing SNGX, which was what should have been focused on. Even though it's higher price, more dangerous, that is one of my weaknesses, is focusing on the name that's moving, because I'm not good at it, and because I'm not good at it, I don't focus on it, and I don't get better at it, and I lose money on it. And so I don't focus on them, and I kind of just focus on these like little side names that have no competition. Um, yeah, really frustrating seeing that ripping and then just focusing on, you know, losing money on a stock as it goes back to break even, and then eventually ends up going all the way up to 3. Like right here. Oh, I start trying to play it. Let's see. Let's see if I think this is where I mess it up. Oh, to 2.9. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do when they come for you? Ghostbusters. Na, 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 na. Different songs, both from the 80s. Alright. Is this where I try to take it? See, I'm waiting. You can see my fingers on the buy button over here. Oh, now I'm like, I'm gonna buy the bid and get fancy. I'm gonna buy the bid. Oh, I'm gonna buy the bid. Maybe I should just stop buying the bid. Like, okay, it goes down. Eventually it goes back up to 3. There we go. Kind of recovering. Bop, bop, bop. Oh, now it's down. And then what the fuck happened here? Okay. Alright, so. Alright, holding sideways pretty well. Mm. Oh, getting lifted. That breaks and then pop. No. Bye. Bye. Could I buy into that? Probably not. That would look like a double top to me. Actually went very slowly. I just remember this being such an annoying tape to read. I'm sitting here making excuses why I wasn't in it. Yeah, it was annoying. I think it was always because I was already down 300 that you kind of get shut down. You're like, I've just lost money on this. And it's up to 3. It's creeping. Absolutely creeping. Which was so easy for me to lose money on. It looks so tempting on all the wrong places. Anyways, the main show is this SNGX today. Ends up doubling. I think it was up like 400% or something at the end of the day. Or not the end of the day, but like towards 3. Was it? No, we'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah. But anyways, it starts. It looks like it's gonna die here. Like this nice fade setup, and then where's the turning point? Let's see if you can spot the turning point. And the turning point before the risk is too high. Okay, might be right there actually. That candle holds. Back. Give me a little back check here. Buck. Oh, 6 is even holding. Nice. Let's go back check again. And now this is just holding. But like I would be expecting a slap back, like right about probably there. Just doesn't happen, and then that candle closes green. And waiting for a slap back, waiting for a slap back. No slap back yet. Probably right here. Oh, tries to slap back and gets goodbye. Hesitating. Slap back. I don't think I was trading it because it was a bio, and I thought it would be a gap fade. But no, it just keeps going. Yeah, just grinds 350. Good little back check. There's the back check. Oh. Oh. Hey, dangerous one to take right here. I don't know. Honestly, don't know if I could have traded that well. Especially, oh, now it's starting to open up. Okay. Honestly, that was the turning point. Right? This was the turning point. This close right here. Yeah, when that bid popped up. Oh boy. It just halts up. And I'm like, alright. Oh, yeah, look how far LGBN came, especially with such low volume. That's a tricky one. I shouldn't have been so cavalier on trading it, but it's hard to see this one. Well, I could have said that. And this like kind of slap back handle right here. Okay. So let's go. That's about it for this tape. We got that. Whatever. It kind of just like grinds sideways, up, down, whatever. Probably could have done some stuff. Here's a midday. Oh, and SNGX is just ridiculous. Yeah, going all the way up. Ends up getting to up there at 14. I don't really take any trades over here. I'm just watching it. Really, it's for the tape. I don't take any trades till I took a $100 trade somewhere or 100 share trade somewhere. It doesn't matter too much. But by this point, I was down. Like 400. I go for a walk, come back. I end up making it down 600. But these are just, and then down 800. But what was it? I think I took like, moves like this, just like make it harder to trade. Oh, so hard to trade. Why do you have to be so hard? Don't be hard to trade. Oh, watch it. It's like keeps going and going. Looks like it's gonna halt down. Oh no, I get a nice little cut on that. A chicken cut, but no big chop, but it's a chicken cut. Yeah, keeps going. Nice. Alright, well, could have held it. Oh, this move was crazy. Okay, so it creates a nice little pattern here. Oh wait, where was it? Oh, I missed it. Okay. Okay. This. Watch this. This is bonkers. So it's coming down here. You have a nice little opportunity to load in at the beginning of this candle with a really tight stop. Well, relative tight stop. You'd probably be stopping out at 11 if you had to. But you can get in right there, there. Looks sketchy for a second, but then just keeps, wow, boom. All right. Anyways, that's a wrap for me today. Finishing the day down 373 or something. It's okay. And I'm off. Sorry for the long ramble. I'll try to keep it more tight and concise tomorrow.